Guys, Ashish this side. So Ireland is one of the top education destinations in Europe, and in this video I'm going to tell you about the top universities of Ireland, some brief detail about them and why you can consider Ireland as your study abroad destination. So let's get started. Now first thing that comes is why Ireland. So Irish education system is one of the best in Europe, and 8 universities are ranked under 1000 in QS World University Ranking 2021. Ireland is an English speaking country and is home to most attractive countries for FDI, not only in Europe but worldwide. So any country where a lot of money is coming in, of course it would have quite good opportunities. Now interestingly, Ireland is also home to leading global MNCs that includes Google, HP, Apple, IBM, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pfizer and GSK. So all these companies have made Ireland their office for European operations. So that speaks a lot for it in terms of technological country and also in terms of opportunities and growth. Now let's see the universities. So number 1 in Ireland is Trinity College Dublin, which is part of the University of Dublin, ranked as 101 in the world. Trinity College Dublin, the University of Dublin is Ireland's leading university, founded in 1592. The university is steeped in history with a reputation for excellence in education, research and innovation. Located on an iconic campus in the heart of Dublin's city centre, Trinity has over 18,000 undergraduate and postgraduate students. With 24 academic schools, Trinity offers undergraduate and postgraduate courses across all the major disciplines including arts and humanities, business, law, engineering, science, maths and health sciences. Next is University College Dublin, which is ranked 177 in the world. University College Dublin is one of Europe's leading research intensive universities and ranked within top 1% of higher education institutions worldwide. In 2020, for the third year in a row, UCD was ranked number 1 in Ireland for graduate employability and 75th in the world in the QS graduate employability ranking. UCD is also Ireland's most globally engaged university with over 30,000 students drawn from 136 countries, including almost 4,000 students at locations outside of Ireland. Next is National University of Ireland Galway, which is ranked 238 in the world. The National University of Ireland Galway was first established in 1845 and initially opened to teach just 68 students. Today it's home to over 17,000 students taught across 4 colleges. So the 4 colleges are College of Arts, Social Sciences and Celtic Studies, College of Business, Public Policy and Law, College of Medicine, Nursing and Health Sciences and College of Science and Engineering. Now next is University College Cork, which is ranked 286 in the world. University College Cork, a world-class university, was once founded in 1845 and combines a rich tradition of learning, teaching and research and scholarship. UCC is unrivaled in the quality of its academic programs. Its courses are internationally recognized and some approximately 21,000 students take its undergraduate and postgraduate programs. International students are part of a dynamic multicultural community of scholars, academic and professionals. UCC enjoy a global reputation which draws 3,000 students from over 100 countries across the world. Now next is Dublin City University, which is ranked 439 in the world. Dublin City University is Ireland's University of Enterprise, situated on an 85 acres active and rewarding campus which is full of student life, sports and leisure facilities. DCU has grown rapidly in scale and performance since being established as a university in 1989. So this is a quite new university. With the city just a 10 minutes bus drive away, a student of DCU have the best of both worlds, the social and cultural benefits of city life. Next is University of Limerick. It is ranked between 511 to 520 in the world. The University of Limerick is an independent, internationally focused university with over 15,000 students and 1,500 faculty and staff. It's a young, energetic and enterprising university with a proud record of innovation in education and excellence in research and scholarship. The university offers a range of programs up to doctoral level in arts, humanities, social sciences, business, education and health sciences, science and engineering. Next is Maynooth University, which is ranked between 701 to 750 in the world. So Maynooth University is internationally recognized for the quality and value of research and scholarship. The humanities, social sciences and natural sciences form the academic and intellectual core of the university, complemented by strong departments and programs in teacher education, campus science and electronic engineering, business and law. So these are some of the key programs of this university. Now next is Technological University Dublin, which is ranked between 801 to 1000 in the world. The TU Dublin is Ireland's first technological university, established on 1st January 2009. It builds on the legacy of its founder organization, Dublin Institute of Technology, Institute of Technology and Institute of Technology Talagat. With 29,000 students on its campuses in the three largest population centers of the Greater Dublin region, TU Dublin is a university where the arts, science, business and technology converge, offering pathways to graduation from apprenticeship to PhD. So these were the top universities of Dublin. This channel has lot of videos if you are planning to study abroad and want to explore more, from universities to colleges to countries. I have tried to give you as much information as possible. I understand that after watching this video you may have some queries, so don't worry. Just check the description. There you can check the contact details and you can contact us. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like this video, comment, share with your friends, and I'll see you in some other video. Till then, stay connected. Thank you so much for watching.